Okay, perfect. All right, so today what we're going to learn about fact or opinion. We're going to learn about both of those things. Raise your hand if you heard about a fact or an opinion before. Just raise your hand if you have heard of it. Okay?
Yeah, Miss Carew, okay. Also something with the level adjustment.
Yeah, but right now we're going to do ELA. So we're going to learn about fact or opinion, okay? And I'll tell you the definitions in a bit. Here we go. So here are the definitions. So let's start off with this side first. Facts. Can you read the definition for us, Anthony? Just this top part.
Facts. A fact can be proven.
Good. So facts can be proven. They can be proven true, okay? So some key words to really pay attention to are dates, numbers, or historical events. Okay, can you read the example, Nathan?
Captain Underpants was written by Dave Pilkey.
Is that a fact or is that an opinion?
A fact.
It's a fact because who is the author of Captain Underpants? Delilah? Dave Pilkey. Nice.
I can't even see the word.
Where, put your glasses on. Can somebody read the second example? Joshua?
My teacher is Miss Carew.
Beautiful. Is that a fact or an opinion?
A fact. A fact.
Right, because you can prove that your teacher is Mrs. Carrillo, right? That's true.
Yeah, which is right here.
Right. Can somebody read the last example for fact? Go ahead, Delilah. There.
There are
What number is that?
365 days in a year.
Good. So there are 365 days in a year. Is that a fact or an opinion?
I think that's a fact. That's
Nathan,
a fact
thank you for-
It's a fact because it's true.
Right. That's a fact because it is true. There are 365 days in 1 year. So that is a fact. Okay? Now we're going to go over to the trickier part. Opinions. Ready? Everybody say opinions.
Opinions.
Now we're going to clap out the syllables. Ready? Opinions. Good. How many syllables was that?
3.
3 syllables. Okay? Tony, can you read the definition for us? Just this top part.
An opinion is what someone thinks, feels, or believes.
Good. Thank you, Tony. An opinion is what somebody thinks, what somebody feels, or believes. Okay? So those.
I know what opinion means. The key word.
So some of the key words. So these are kind of. Some of the key words. Can you read the first one, Jaden?
Oh, let me read the second one.
This one right here.
I believe, I think, I feel.
Okay. So thank you, Jaden. So some of the key words to really know that if it's an opinion is when you hear or read, I believe that, I don't know, let's say Dr. Seuss is the best author. Or I think that Mondays are the best days ever. That's an opinion. Or I feel like Fortnite is the best game in the world. That's an opinion. Okay? Joshua, can you read the example for us?
I think Pac-Man is the best game ever.
Okay, great. Thank you, Joshua. Joshua, is that a fact or an opinion?
Opinion.
Right, because it's how somebody what? It's how somebody feels about a game, right?
I feel like.
Okay, so that's an opinion. Okay, here we go. Next part.
I feel like my game is the best.
So now we're going to watch a quick fact or opinion video. Ready? Here we go. When I play a video, what do?
Listen.
Nathan?
Don't
Listen.
touch.
Thank you. Here we go. Make it bigger.
Good morning, have a great day. Hey, Mr.
An opinion.
We're listening now.
What is a fact? A fact is something that is always true. Facts can be proven. We can find facts by doing research in books, on the internet, or we can even do research of our own. Here's an example of a fact. Dogs need food and water to survive. This is always true. You You could find this information in a book or on the internet. What is an opinion? An opinion is what you think or feel. It cannot be proven. Here's an example of an opinion. Dogs are the best pets. That's what I think. I love dogs. That's how I feel. But these are just my opinions because someone could say, no way, cats are the best pets. Let's see what you learned. Fact or opinion? The sun is hot.
Raise your hand if you know if that's a fact or an opinion. Delilah, is that a fact or an
I
opinion?
kind of think, yeah, the sun is really hot.
A fact. Good. Okay, next one.
Yeah, even though you go closer or nearer,
Here we go.
it's a movie.
You're right, it's a fact.
Nice job,
This
Delilah.
can be proven. We can prove it by doing research in a book or on the internet. Fact or opinion?
Coffee is delicious. Give it a shot, Joshua. Is that a fact or an opinion?
Opinion.
Opinion. Do you guys agree? Thumbs up if you agree. Thumbs down if you disagree.
No, it's a fact. Coffee wow, is really delicious.
That's how you feel about coffee, Jaden. There's people that really think coffee is really nasty. So that's let's see.
Coffee is delicious. You're right, that's an opinion. Because someone could say, ew, coffee isn't delicious.
Yeah, so that's how
Also,
somebody
you
feels.
might think,
I love
cocoa
coffee.
is delicious,
Never
very
drink
healthy.
it.
Right. So, for example, the sun is hot. Somebody can say, that's not true. The sun is frozen.
Yeah, but what if
Because-
someone actually, a post was one, that person said, what if he actually went to the sun and burned?
What if someone, what?
I said, what if he actually went to the sun and burned?
Well, then that means that the sun is hot, right? Right? That still means that the sun is hot. If somebody goes to the sun and it burns.
That the
and they
sun
burn.
is made from lava.
Here we go. Next part.
Fact or opinion? An apple is a fruit.
Yes.
Okay? Thumbs up if you think it's an opinion. Thumbs down if you think it's a fact.
It's a fact. I mean opinion.
Daniel, fact or opinion? What do you think?
Opinion.
Fact? Here we go.
You're right, it's a fact. An apple is a fruit. That is always true.
Fruit?
Yes.
So remember,
Okay.
if you're trying to figure out whether something is a fact or not, you can ask yourself, is it always true? Can it be proven? And if the answer is yes, then you found a fact.
Nice job, friends. All right, here we go. So the next part, I'm gonna close this down. Okay, so let's practice. So this part right here, these are gonna be facts and these are gonna be opinions. Daniel, can you read the first fact for us? Tadpoles grow frogs. Tadpoles grow up to be frogs. Fact or opinion? Fact. Little tadpoles, when they become adults, they become frogs. That's a fact. Next part. Tony, can you read the second fact for us? Where it says,
There are 4 sides of to a square.
good. So there are 4 sides to a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that a fact or an opinion? It's a fact. There are 4 sides to a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a fact. Good. Jaden, can you read this one for us?
There are 12 months in a year. Fact.
That's a fact. Very good. There are 12 months in a year.
Yeah,
Good.
but what if a plant doesn't have water and sunlight to survive?
What is it?
I said, what if plants don't have water and sunlight to survive?
We're not at that one yet. Okay, ready? Joseph?
Okay,
Can you read this one?
after someone says
No? Can somebody read this one? Nathan?
Plants need water and sunlight to survive.
Plants need water and sunlight to survive. Is that a fact or an opinion?
Fact.
That's
What
fact.
can I answer?
Fact.
It's true. It's always
Okay, you
true.
already answered this one, okay? Let's give other people chances to speak, okay,
No,
Jaden?
no, the question I said, like, what if plants don't have water or sunlight to survive?
Okay?
Then what happens?
You already answered your question. What if plants don't have water or sunlight to survive? What happens? What's the opposite of survive?
Yeah.
So what happens if they have no water and no sunlight? What happens to them?
Sacrifice.
All the people
What happens to the plant? Not to the people. What happens to the plant?
die.
It dies. Okay? So this is a fact. They need water and sunlight to survive. Ready? Let's go on to opinion. Anthony, can you read the first opinion?
I think my dog is the best.
Is that a fact or opinion? Beautiful. Delilah, can you read this one for us? Roses,
Roses,
Opinion.
prettier.
prettier than sunflowers.
Beautiful. Thank you for reading. Roses are prettier than sunflowers. Is that a fact or opinion, Joseph? That's an opinion. That's an opinion because somebody might say, no, sunflowers are prettier than roses, right? Yes, Joshua? Joseph, you want to read this one? Nice and loud.
I think you will really enjoy that movie.
Thank you. I think you will really enjoy that movie. Is that somebody's opinion?
No.
Yeah,
Yes.
opinion.
That's somebody's opinion because somebody might say, you know what? I watched the movie, but I didn't really like it. Okay? Last one, Joshua. Nice and loud for us.
Fortnite is more fun than Super Mario Kart.
Is that a fact or an opinion, Joshua?
Opinion.
That's an opinion because somebody might say, no, you know what, Miss Carrillo? I think Super Mario Kart is way more fun than Fortnite. That's somebody's opinion.
You know what? I should say Minecraft.
It's one of the epic
No.
games in the whole universe right now.
No,
That's an opinion.
It's blowing up everywhere. Everyone's
Daddy.
playing it now.
That's true. All right, so we practiced our facts or your opinions. Ready? Here we go.
Who came up with Fortnite?
All right, ready? We're gonna go ahead and stand. We're gonna go ahead and stand up. We're gonna go ahead and stand up. I'm going to play a song. When the song stops, you are going to find a partner. Okay?
One
You're-
partner?
The partner that you are closest to. You're not gonna run across the room to find a partner. The partner who you're closest to. Okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and play a song. I don't want you guys running. Okay? I just want you guys to move around right now.
Imagine Dragon Smoothie.
Imagine?
All right, ready?
Hey, Kermit! You see? Cody's. Wait, that's Cody's video. Cody,
Video.
All right, here we go.
Writing's not that easy, but Grammarly can help. This sentence is grammatically correct.
Go ahead and walk around. When the music stops, you're gonna find one partner.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh.
Okay, find a partner. Okay, with your partner,
You're Joshua Conant. No.
with your partner, you are going to. You're gonna tell them. Face your partner. Does everybody have a partner? All right. With your quiet, please. Here's a question. You're gonna tell your partner whether it's a fact or an opinion. The person with the longer hair is going to respond, and you're gonna say whether you agree with them or disagree. Ready? Here's a question. I think turtles make the. Oh, wait. You're facing your partner right now. Raise your hand. The person with, if you have longer hair. You're gonna be in charge of telling them whether it's a fact or opinion. opinion? Shorter hair people, raise your hand. You're going to tell them if you agree or disagree. Ready? I think turtles make the best pets. Okay. Second partner, you should tell them if you agree or disagree. All right.
You got one?
And if you're from a group, Jaden, I think turtles make the best pets. Was that an opinion?
What do you say?
Oh, Daniel, is that an opinion or a fact? Opinion. Do you agree, Jaden?
It is, kids.
Do you think turtles make the best pets? Is that, when you hear that, I think that turtles make the best pets. Is that a fact or an opinion? It's an opinion. Because somebody's saying they make the best pets in the world. So that's an opinion. That's how somebody feels. Okay? You guys ready for the next one?
I hope.
No. Ready? Go ahead and walk around. This time you're going to find a part,
Can we change the song?
a different partner. Ready? Go.
I was broken from a young age, tricking my soul into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took me, shook me, killing me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message, from the pain, speaking my lesson, from the brain, seeing the beauty through the.
Alright. Find a partner. Alright. So now, okay. So now the person with the shorter hair is going to go first. Ready? Listen to the question. The question is also on the board right here. The question is, ready? George Washington was the first president of the United States of America. The person with shorter hair is going to say whether it's a fact or an opinion. Person with the longer hair is going to say, I agree with you or I disagree with you. Ready? Go ahead and share. George Washington was the first president of the United States of America.
We got one.
Is that a fact or an opinion? Let's hear from this group right here.
It's a fact.
It's a fact. Do you guys agree?
Yeah, because we've been learning about George Washington. We read that article and it said he was the first president.
Beautiful.
Oh yeah, again, one announcement.
Good grammar and spelling are important, but if you want to write essays that inspire, messages that forge
Ready?
Oh,
Here we go.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here. You can take a break. Hot afternoon, make up those states. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy, I'm alone. If you feel like a rose out. Because I'm happy, I'm alone. If you feel like happiness is not true. Because I'm happy, I'm alone. If you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy, I'm alone. If you feel.
Okay, go ahead and find a different partner.
I did, partner.
Here we go. Next question. It's this one right here. Ready?
Has any partnered again?
Ready? The person with darker shoes is gonna go first this time. Okay, ready? Raise your hand if you have the darker shoes. Okay, here's your question. I feel like everyone likes to play outside when it rains. Go ahead and share if you think that's a fact or an opinion. Go ahead and share. All right, let's hear from somebody. Joshua. Opinion. Not everybody. Why, Joshua? Not everybody likes to play when it's raining, right? Some people prefer to play when it's raining.
What?
Okay.
Do you like my shark?
All right,
How
here
about
we
the
go.
tooth? Oh, yeah,
All right, last one. Here we go.
This one happier by
I hope.
by Marshall.
Hey, Miss James, listen. I hope.
your
What is this?
at Edison. We know that creating a clean energy future takes teamwork.
Ready?
Lately, I've been losing sleep,
What?
dreaming about
we go.
That was close.
So last question. Here we go. So we have the person who is older is gonna go
How old are you?
first, okay? So go ahead and find out if you're older or if you're younger.
I'm older.
Okay, here we go.
But we're both same age.
When is your birthday? What month?
July 16.
And what's yours?
July 18.
Okay, and yours?
July 16.
So who's
No, he's
older?
older.
16 or 18?
No, he's
16.
older.
Who is older?
Joseph. Me.
You are, Nathan. So you're going first. Okay, here we go.
No,
Ready?
wait, what? How is Joseph older? You go first.
No, Nathan is older. Nathan is older. His birthday is what? When?
July 18.
Okay. Wait. You're 18? And you're 16?
Yeah, I'm 10.
Okay, so you're older, Joseph.
Yeah, that's what I just said, Joseph.
Sorry, I got confused. I thought it was
But
like,
it's cool the next day we had the closest birthday.
you know, that's interesting how you guys are in the same group. Ready?
No.
Here we go. Last question. Fact or opinion? Mars is the closest planet to the sun.
Okay.
What's Mars?
Go ahead and share.
I am gonna. It's way far away from Mars.
Okay.
Yeah, Mars is like right.
All right. Who would like to share? Mars is the closest planet to the sun.
It's not.
Who would like to share? Anthony.
It's a fact.
It's a fact. Mars is the closest planet
What do you
to
mean?
the
You think
sun.
it's cold?
No,
No.
it's really hot. Right?
That's why. No, Thor planet is cold.
Wait, Mars is not
Pluto's the coldest.
Mars is the
Yeah,
first.
Pluto is
Is
Thor.
the closest planet to the sun. Okay. Here we go.
like, you know.
Thank you for sharing. Go ahead and go back to your seats in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Here we go. Ready? Nice job, friends. Here we go. The next one. So now it's your turn to practice. Okay?
I can't see.
So, listen up.
Cat.
No, it's just a cat that I got from the internet. Isn't it
Meow.
cute? All right, here we go.
It looks like meow
That's
from
my cat.
All right, here we go. I'll wait till everybody has meatball hands and they're ready to move on. Ready? So now it's your turn to practice. So table captains will pass out 3 things. Who are my table captains today? The
Fish.
blue
Can I help Danny?
Okay.
Fish was first.
Can we change the table?
Can I help Danny?
Tomorrow we'll change the table captains.
hope
Okay? Go back.
Yeah,
You can be the blue fish today for Danny.
Me?
Tony. All right, here we go. Ready?
Bluefish, can I go bluefish?
Delilah, you have a blue fish captain today, okay? Thank you.
And Daniel.
I'll wait. So, table captains are going to pass out 3 things. The fact and opinion sheet, scissors, and glue sticks. Okay? So when you get your sheet, you're going to go ahead and cut these out, the bottom part only. Okay? Hey, good morning. Go ahead and sit right there in the middle. So you're going to go ahead, pass out these 3 things. So bluefish, go ahead and come up.
Tony.
I'm the blue fish.
Yeah,
I'm the blue fish.
Jaden,
you're
just
in
sit
the
right
middle.
there.
Scissors.
4. Give one to Jaden too.
What do you mean?
Not yet. Give those papers off first, and then scissors. All right. The gluing will be fast. Okay. So now I'm gonna give you guys scissors. You're only gonna cut out. Listen up. I need all eyes up here. You're only gonna cut out the bottom, not the top, because you're gonna sort them and you're gonna put them whether it's a fact or an opinion. Got it?
After this, we're doing 88 rotations.
Yes. Go ahead and give one to everybody. Give one to everybody.
We're all the same color.
Okay? All right. Okay. The first thing that I want you to do, the scissors down. Don't begin cutting yet. Scissors down. All right. Once you finish cutting,
Okay.
all eyes over here. Once you finish cutting, you're gonna glue on your little papers onto your paper. If you finish early, this is what you're gonna do. Listen up right here. You're gonna read silently at your desk, or you're gonna draw a comic quietly at your desk. Okay? Listen up.
I can help you, Daniel. I don't know what's back there.
All right. Hold on. All eyes over here.
Eyes on you.
If you finish early, what are the two options? What's one option, Ethan? I didn't hear. You were yawning.
Read silently at your desk.
Good. What's the second option, Joshua?
Draw a comic quietly.
Quietly. Beautiful. Ready? You may begin. Your name is not on your paper yet, and you're cutting yourself off your last street. Write your name on your paper, please. Write your name on your paper. That's the first thing I told you to do.
And the date, Miss Priya?